I came to Aberystwyth to do a degree in zoology, and I loved it so much. I just had to find another way of staying. So I stayed another 3 or 4 years to do a PhD in marine biology. What a friendly atmosphere there was here, and just the group of friends that I made at Aberystwyth. And I guess the memories of playing all the sport and the beautiful scenery, and a really enjoyable course as well. Zoology degree, it was 3 years, and it was pretty broad to begin with. We did botany, statistics, zoology, and then I enjoyed it more and more as we went through the years because I could choose the subjects that I really wanted. Very quickly I got involved with the Welsh squad, and I've had a very long career of 18 years playing for Wales. And I also tried things like karate and made the Welsh Kumite squad as well. So Aberystwyth gave me every opportunity that I could ever want. My message would be, try every sport, try anything. It's really the people that make the sport, and you'll find a group of friends that you really want to be with. So just try different sports, and I'm sure you'll find something that you'll really enjoy.